In this video, I will show you how to find hidden apps on your iPhone. Through this video, I will show you 4 different methods and at least one of them will definitely work for you. And the last 2 methods are the most important. The first method is check if a home screen page is hidden. Press and hold an empty space on your home screen until the icons shake. Tap the dots at the bottom. Make sure the pages are checked, then tap done. Now let's quickly find that app you have been trying to get. Now if it didn't work, then try this. Check the app library, go to your home screen, then swipe left again and again until you see app library. Tap the search bar and type the app name. If you see the app here, it is still on your phone. It's just not on your home screen. Now if you want to bring it back to your home screen, just tap and hold on that app, then drag it over to your home screen. Now check screen time because it can block apps too. Go to your iPhone settings, then scroll down and tap on screen time. Then again scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then go to allowed apps and features. Now find the app you are looking for. Once you see it, turn the toggle on right beside the app. When you turn it on, the app can show and work normally again. Alright, this is the last one. If nothing else worked, this method 4 is your final fix. Check the hidden folder. If you have iOS 18, in the app library, scroll to the bottom and tap hidden. Now unlock with your Face ID, Touch ID or your password. If your app is there, press and hold on the app, then tap don't require Face ID. Confirm to unhide it. Now the app will be easier to find again. Now search for the app you did earlier. Once you find it, bring it back to the home screen following the previous method. And that's it. Once you know these steps, finding hidden apps on iPhone becomes super easy. If you get stuck anywhere, feel free to ask me in the comments. And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more easy tutorials like this, and thanks for watching.